Hi friends, welcome back to the channel Ures Review. In this video, let us see a flexible tripod by EpyQam. Company calls it as EpyQPod. This is a very necessary tripod for vloggers. It can hold up to 1 kg of weight. We can add DSLR cameras, mirrorless cameras, point and shoot cameras, smartphones and action cameras. Let us move to the unboxing of the tripod.
Let us open the box. Wow! This tripod comes with a pouch which would help us in transportation. The pouch is very soft and it is like velvet material. Further in the box, you have a thank you note from the company and an Amazon gift card. So this is the tripod. You can attach all type of cameras which is less than 1 kg. EpyQPod has ball head, so it is very easily to adjust anyway. So you can shoot vertical video or horizontal video for Instagram, Facebook or for other stuffs. We have also tried vlogging using this tripod. It feels very comfortable for vlogging. The EpyQPod comes with free mobile holder. So you can connect any mobile and start shooting videos or take steady pictures. This mobile holder is very useful if you are vlogging on the phone or doing video for Instagram or TikToks. You can also connect any action cameras on this EpyQPod. Here I am using MIYI action camera. You can also vlog using this. The legs of this EpyQPod is very flexible, so you can rotate it in any direction. Here is the example. So friends, this EpyQPod is a wonderful companion if you are a vlogger or TikTok video maker. I will be giving the Best Buy link below in the description so you can purchase it from there. Give a like if you like this video, subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends and families. And also check us out on social media platforms. Meet you in the next video with the interesting content. Thank you.
Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get notification.